Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on Spotify. The process is really short and simple. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Spotify on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Here's the homepage of Spotify. Now to access your playlist, you'll have to go to your library. So for that, tap on the Your Library option at the bottom menu of the screen. Now on this page you can see all of your playlist. To delete any playlist, all you have to do is long tap on the playlist. Let's say I want to delete this playlist Nile. So for that I'll have to long press on the playlist. Now here you'll have to tap on delete playlist. Then once you see this pop-up menu, all you have to do is tap on delete again. And as you can see on the screen, the playlist has been deleted from our library. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.